What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting video, guys. And in today's video I'm going to be installing the M3 style bumper for my BMW 335i. I just recently picked up that bumper from someone on Facebook Marketplace for about $3 and change. I also ordered the mesh grills and stuff, so I'm going to pick all that up, drop it off at the shop, have it repainted, and then, you know, install the bumper. I'm going to try to install the bumper myself, but if I run into any issues, I'm going to take it to the shop. So guys, let's get right into this video. Just picked up the mesh grill, the left and right lower mesh grill for the M3 bumper from the post office, because when I bought the bumper, that didn't come with it. So just picked up the mesh grill, and I'm gonna head over to the shop right now and have the guys install it. Let's get to it. Y'all, it's the following day. I took the car to the shop to have the bumper installed, but they're too busy. They're so busy right now that they can't do it for like the next 2 days. So I'm gonna attempt to get it done myself. Wish me luck. Here we go. First thing I need to do is take off these 4 bolts, the torque bits. I believe there's 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in order to remove these torques, you're gonna need either a torque bit or an Allen key. In this case, I'm gonna be using an Allen key. So I removed the 4 torques. Next thing I'm gonna do is to remove these headlights washer thingy. I'm going to remove them off the bumper. Okay, I removed the headlight washer covers here and there. Here they are. Next step is I'm going to remove the screw on the fender liner. Alright guys, it literally took me hours, like almost 2 hours, just to take out the screws and all that stuff underneath and on the side. But I had to take out the fender liner from the passenger side right there in order to get the screws. I didn't have to do that on this side, but I had to do it on this side. Alright, I'm going to take the bumper off. Okay, I'm almost done with the bumper. Sorry guys if I missed a couple of footage. My phone died. I couldn't charge the phone because I'm not at home, so I'm almost done installing the bumper, and I'll let you guys know. Is the car, man. Look at that bumper, man. This just gives the car a more aggressive look. I'm gonna get I'm gonna try to do the full bolt-ons with the charge pipe, the intercooler, blow-up valve, intake, and whatever else that I don't remember right now, but I'm gonna try and do that. But everything works, man. Everything works just fine. I had a little bit of fitment issue on this side. As you can see, it's a bit of a gap here, and this one is like completely flush. So the fog lights, they work. Let me just turn them on real quick. As you can see, the fog light works. Sorry for the wind noise and the Harleys in the background here. There's a lot of Harleys out today. It's sunny, the weather's good, about 70, 75 degrees. And yeah. At the time I was recording this video, my phone died, so I couldn't show you guys the entire bumper installation process. I had a little bit of issue, a little scratch. Ah, damn. But nonetheless, you can't really see that. But again, I apologize. I wanted to show you guys how I did it, but I have the old bumper inside. If anybody interested, let me know in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram on the screen or in the description. Follow me on Instagram at URBANTECHNYC7. Let me know. Let me know. But again, this really give the car an aggressive look. Yo, my plastic dip is like peeling off. Yo, I gotta put a new one on. It's been a while. It has been a while. This is just oh, look at this. All right, this doesn't look good at all. It just comes right off. Anyway, I might as well do that today. But like I said, I had a bit of a fitment issue, but I was able to do it. This was the hardest thing I had to do, like, so far. Not the hardest thing I ever did, but this was the hardest thing I ever did on a car, because I've never done this before. I've never installed a bumper, you know, but it took me 7 hours, man. I thought it was going to be as easy as you see it on video, but it took me 7 hours to get this done. 7 freaking hours, guys. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think. I'm feeling the bumper. I mean, it looks good. The only issue is I bought the one with the front sensors. My car doesn't have that, so just the holes. Yeah, but if anything, y'all let me know. Don't forget, support your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like, comment, anything, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.